All right, this can hopefully be a super quick video installing a Frigidaire 8000 BTU window unit in our bedroom. I've got another video I did a few years ago showing the install of a Medea 12,000 BTU. So you can look for that on my page. It's a lot more detailed. This will hopefully just be a real quick overview. So the very first thing I'm going to do is took it out of the box, plugged it in, and make sure it works. I don't want to install it and do all the work and find out it doesn't run. So definitely runs, blowing cool air. So now I'll start working on installation. All right, so first step is to install this window rail on the top. I've got 4 screws here. Goes like that. Just screw them in by hand. All right, next we got to put the side louvers on. So here I've got the one that says right, goes on the right side. So you don't want to just slide them in. You want to actually grab the inside hard plastic piece of this louver. You can see it's got kind of a hard plastic ridge. These are supposed to slide into here. So you pull this all the way out. Let me see if I can do it with one hand, probably not. Like that, and then slide that plastic piece down in there. All right, so I got the hard plastic piece slid into each of these 3. And I just gotta pull that down and push these in. And the right one's installed. Now I just gotta do the left one. All right, next, just put the AC in the window. All right, just like that. Okay, now the window is holding it. So you can see that the these little louvers are sitting behind this little channel I have here. They're gonna fit inside of directly underneath the window there.
Okay.
All right, so I've got mine centered in the window there. You can see, and with the louvers, just make sure that you kind of squeeze it into where this channel goes.
What you got this?
You gotta push it against the window so that this goes, the left side goes inside of there. And you can put just a screw in there. And then down here, you gotta push it up against there. And then there's a little clip that grabs onto this to pull it against here. But I've already got holes from where I previously had a window unit installed here. So I might just use these holes and screw into this plastic to keep it in place. All right, so I got one screw in here to kind of keep it in place. I decided I'm not gonna put a screw here. Down here, I'm gonna feed a screw through this existing hole to grab into the plastic, but I can't get the screw to bite into the plastic by hand. So I'm going to use my power drill, just a little tiny drill bit on it, to drill through here into the plastic a little bit. And then I can feed a screw through here that'll bite into the plastic and pull that tight. All right, so I got both screws in. Then you want to take this foam that came with it, cut it to length for the width of your window, and then just kind of shove it here. Actually, I think it goes in between the 2 window panes here. So let me do that with 2 hands. All right, so I got that shoved in this gap here. So it's just gonna keep air and bugs and stuff from coming in that gap. And another thing I did is, instead of, it comes with a little bracket you can like screw in around here to lock the window here so nobody can pick it up and down. I just like to cut a 2x4 to length, basically butt up against the top of the window and sit on top of the window here. It sits right there, and it's a little loose. Maybe I'll shim it. But basically, this sits here so that this window cannot be pushed up, so nobody can break in, basically. And see, it butts up against the top there. All right, and that's how quickly you can install a window unit. There's some extra foam stuff to insulate it better. So, I see a couple of gaps like right here. you know, maybe here a little bit. So I'll use this stuff to do that. Another thing I did in my last time I had one is I got a cheap styrofoam ice chest from like the gas station or Walmart or whatever. And you can cut out the styrofoam from that and build blocks right here and just kind of shove them in here tight. And that'll give some extra insulation added to these louvers just to help insulate from inside and outside. So yeah, again, quick video. If you want more details, look at my other video from a couple of years ago. But yeah, this should give you an idea if you want to do this yourself or not. Thanks for watching.